Okay guys, so let's get started. I have already installed my Juice Shop machine in Kali virtual machine. So the command to start the Juice Shop is npm start. We can see that the Juice Shop is getting started. At the starting, some of the dependencies will be checked, and if they are satisfied, the machine will be started. We can see that the server has been started and is listening on port 3000. In order to access the UI, we have to just type in the IP address of the machine that we are working on and the port number that the Juice Shop is listening on. Here it is 3000. We can see that the Juice Shop URL has been loaded successfully, and it is showing as some of the challenges that I have already solved, so you guys can just ignore that. The challenge that we are going to do today is to upload a file that is larger than 100 KB. So in Juice Shop, there is a limit to the file sizes that we can upload. We cannot upload a file that is greater than 100 KB. So our challenge is to upload a file whose size is greater than 100 KB. So let's see how we can do it. I have done my research on Juice Shop, and one of the sections where we can upload a file is under the complaint tab. So this is the complaint window, and as you can see, there's an option to upload an invoice. So I will type in some random message, say hi, and I will try to upload a file that is greater than 100 KB. I have a file named qwerty.pdf that is of size 153, and if I try to open it, you can see that even before submitting it, it has sensed that the file size is too large. Okay, so now we'll try to upload a file that is less than 100 KB. So I'll just give some random text. This is test, and I will try to upload a file, say test.pdf. It is of size just 39 bytes. We can see that it has accepted the size, and if I submit, yes, our submission has been successful. I have already configured a burp suite in my machine that listens to all the traffic that is going from this machine, and if I often check the HTTP history, we can see that it is capturing all the requests that is going out from the machine. So these are some of the requests that has been captured by the burp suite. Here we can see that the file upload option 2 has been captured by burp suite. So this is the request that has been sent. Here we can see the content of the file that we have just uploaded. So it is a PDF file named test.pdf, and this is the content. If I click on Ctrl R, this request will be sent to the repeater, and we can see the response that we get once we forward this request. So if I send that request again, we get a response with HTTP 1.1204 with no content. Now we know that we are not able to upload files of size greater than 100 KB. So what I'm going to do now is I'll be just sending the content of the file rather than sending the file. So this is my download folder. As you can see, I'm having a file qwe.txt whose size is 174 KB. I'll be opening that file using leafpad. This is some random text the entire size of the file is around 174 KB, so I just copy it and try to paste it in the request that we are going to send. As you can see, we have successfully pasted content of around 170 KB, and now we will try to send this request to the machine, and let's see if it gets accepted or not. To send it, you have to just click on send. You can see that the Juice Shop machine has successfully accepted it with a response 204. And if I minimize my text and look at the Juice Shop machine, we can see that we have successfully completed the challenge of uploading a file whose size is greater than 100 KB. That's all, guys. So this is how we completed our challenge, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.